I've been trying to guide this fella, but he is just so dumb. He tries and tries and tries to get out through the glass. Ah man, it's not that hard. This is why you can't help stupid, man. Alright, some update time. Right. Well, as you can see, I have removed the passenger seat and the bench seat at the back, exposing the original floor with the this sound deadening material. You can see a lot of foam still stuck to it. Yeah, these are the foams that are stuck to it. I will have to remove that. So what I'm gonna do is I am actually gonna clean this up, and then I will prep this surface with anti-rust so that those places that are exposed, so for example like this, these are tar, right? Sound deadening tar. I can't remove it. It's not that I can't, but the amount of work required to remove it is quite severe. You are talking about using dry ice to freeze it until it becomes frozen, and then you can crack it open. I am not going to do that. I'm going to leave it as it is, because, well, sound deadening is sound deadening, isn't it? It's good. But there are certain parts which are exposed, like for example metal, like here. You know, this is the mounting for the seat. Surface is a bit rusted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to anti-rust all those areas. I'm going to clean it up. Then I'm going to anti-rust all those areas that are exposed. And there is a potential to rust. So for example, like here, another one. So this entire bone. Once I clean this place up, I am going to I'm going to carpet it. Now, of course, as an amateur, I don't think I can one-piece the carpet, to be honest. I have a feeling I'll end up doing like 3 pieces. One, basically following the lines of the bone. So you have this this horizontal lines, this one, and this one going across. So I think, because you won't be able to see these horizontal lines per se once the fittings are all back in. So what I'm gonna do is I most likely am gonna cut a piece of carpet for the front, for the middle, and then maybe, well, I don't know, I don't need to carpet this place actually. So maybe 2 pieces. The second piece is from here to slightly behind here. So I'll stick it down here. It's going to be a bit of a challenge because from what I see, carpets don't do 90-degree turns very well. Yeah, so we shall see, man. But well, whatever I do is going to be better than what we're looking at now, isn't it? So I am going to clean this up, and I'm going to anti-rust it. I will not paint it because you won't be seeing it anyway, but I'm going to anti-rust it, and I will carpet it. Excellent stuff.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes.
As you can see, there is this bee that's been trying to get out, but he doesn't know how to. I've been trying to help him for the past 10 minutes to get out, but he doesn't seem to understand. Oh my goodness, I've been trying to guide this fella, but he is just so dumb. He tries and tries and tries to get out through the glass. Oh man, it's not that hard. This is why you can't help stupid, man. Just this side is not that hard. It's like a few inches away, but the fella doesn't want to help himself. Oh my goodness, why are you so dumb? And he's disturbing my work as well. I don't know if it's a bee or a wasp. I don't want to find out. Yeah, come. It's not that hard. Anyway, a bit of update. So as you can see, I've been trying to remove the foam from the surface. It's not easy, man. I literally have to use this sandpaper. Using sandpaper. It's okay. Yeah, get out! Yes! He's out! Oh, finally, he stumbled out of the hole. What a dumbass! Okay, good luck. Don't come back here. Enjoy the rest of your life. Bye bye. Oh yeah, back to this. So I've spent like half an hour doing this part using sandpaper. I've gotten most of it out, but there's still some. I don't know, man. We shall see. I'll continue to grind because, you know, applying glue onto this loose surface is it's not gonna work. Alright, minor update time. So one side here has been cleared of all the loose debris. The foam, the loose debris has been cleared from here. I am ready to take this car for a vacuum. Now I will remove the bolts of that side as well. To get to the seats there, I may remove it and then just put it back on with one bolt on, so that I can drive the car to the car wash. Alright.
Heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right.
Alright, update time. We are at the car wash, but I'm not washing the car. I am merely vacuuming it because I didn't want to use a house vacuum. There's a lot of loose bits and whatnot. So I bring it here for it to be vacuumed, and then I will anti-rust it. Alright, so yeah, nice stuff, man.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Alright, signing out.